Ano po?
Wala, di. Uling online niya kanina, alas 7 eh.
Di ba ako makain lang yun? Pera na natin.
Umuwi. Panigurado, umuwi ito.
Ang hirap mag-solo, gago. Pang inang layo ko. Puma-download ko yung replay. Ang ina, sobrang bobo. Parang robot talaga. 0-3 agad siya, 6 minutes.
Ano, susama maging bakit eh. Kaso wala pa naman si Bam, ano?
Ah, wala pa.
Ayun na, may makakabuo ata tayo 5 man.
Natropa ba yan?
Hmm.
Lalaro yan.
Lalaro to.
Na lang kasi nagdodota sa amin dito masyado na ano. Puro high rank yung ginagrind. Walang pa 5 man. Buti dito nakakapag 5 man pa kayo.
Hindi, ano to sa iba? Ay, hindi. Meron naman. Dito ako muna. Nood ka muna ng ano. Tawag dito. 5K
Yan, as,
Pro. Palitan ko caption niya mamaya. Wala pa si Bam eh.
sige.
Bisayawa. Dots.
Add kita sa FB.
The dark runs deep.
My quiver and bow are ready.
Bobong bamang putik. Kumain pa eh.
Bawin-bawi ka na. Okay, taba naman ng plus 1. Taba naman lagi ng hero ko sa laro natin eh. Hindi ko lang
Okay lang
paano
yun.
natatalo eh.
Mahirap ka talaga sa ano. Pag sa mid mo, kaya offlane. Mga ano kasi yung pick, tatlong game yata tayo may kampi na ano. Exotic yung pick. Void Spirit. Tapos na
Face-up
ano yung
plus 5.
Ember okay pa eh. Yung ano. Ganda kasi ng Ember na offlane gawa dun sa ano.
Kunat.
Mage Slayer. Oo. Una. Kaso Void Spirit siya. Alam niya si Ember siya.
Uy. Yatoro 26:1 AM. Mapag AM nga. So mag AM.
Ganyan ka palang set, yung Dark Artistry Band.
Hmm.
Magawa ko siya.
Gamit ko to kahapon ha. Di mo mapansin? Ay hindi. Nag-swap nga pala kami ni Bam nito. Kaya pala ano. Yung first Invoker game lang ata di nagpalit. Akashi. Ano makanood nga ng ano? Meron bang live ngayon?
Lahat ang laban yun.
Neon versus ano?
Mamaya pa.
Galacticos. Saan ba to?
I
Maganda
mean,
panoorin.
it's at least a little bit of a light
Dark
at the end of
Spirit.
the tunnel here. The question is whether who's cruising the tunnel is it Young Galacticos or Neon? Because the Slark, like, their hope lies on the Slark.
You
We
know-
kind of talked about the Shrek being the hope. At this stage, it has to be the Slark getting 100 charges of Essence Shift and somehow
yeah,
winning
yeah.
a fight by himself.
You know, there's a thing. I like to use the term "light at the end of the tunnel" quite a lot. But I saw a good stand-up comedian on.
Okay.
I think it was on TikTok. It was a quick one-liner. It's like a 10-second video, but I loved the punchline on it. It's like it was about optimism and people being fed optimism in a place where they're like, yeah, I don't care about your optimism at all. It's like he gets a message from his friend saying like, there's a light at the end of the tunnel, and it's like, I'm not interested in your
okay.
optimism. That just means there's another train.
Nakalaro
coming.
lang siya dun sa Immortal. Ano yata pa siya nun?
Yeah, and that train
6.5
does look a lot like Neon
yata.
right now.
Ay,
It does.
6.5 tuloy. Ano?
Oh,
5.5.
baby. That's an amplified damage rune on the TA. That is a fast-looking train with a
Hindi kasi
Daedalus on top
toxic
of it.
maglaro yan si Bam.
Grabe. Toxic yan.
A lot of damage.
Hindi pagkakampi mo, hindi naman.
Ano sa chat?
Amplified
Reason.
damage
More?
still
Sisigaw
says
yan.
double damage in the bottle, by the way.
Ayun, bro.
It's still
Unplayable.
there. Unplayable. It's still there.
Wala nagsisipid.
Rune double damage. Oh, KSH fell asleep for a second. He got the Dark Pact off, but he's forced into this fight. Shadow Dance is already on cooldown, and he's silenced from the trap. He won't be able to do anything here. Slark is out. He's gone for 50 seconds without the buyback. Tiny will fall as well, and this TA hits for 550 damage. One shot crit. Good night, Grimstroke. And good night, Yangles Galacticals, by the look of it, as well as Neon is running them over. And indeed, at the end, the light at the end of the tunnel, that is a big freight train, and that is called Neon Esports.
That was crazy. They played really well. I think specifically Ken, this series has impressed me so much. Like the first blood in game 1, then he absolutely massacres this Leshrac.
Solid ng mga ganitong kampi. Magsipik ang po.
Iba kasi 3%, no?
Oh, shit. May babasag din sa egg.
Drow Ranger. To battle.
Better get ready.
Is that intentional?
Yes.
It looked intentional.
That was my thought. Way ahead of you. Silent as mist. My sentiments as well. Fine.
Naku po,
I'll cut a notch with your nail.
guys kaibigan. Matay mo kaya? Patay nyo na.
30 seconds to go.
Good enough.
Wow, gusto
Many
pa
a
napatay nung
grave
ano.
is hidden in these woods.
Pangalan na ito.
Agreed.
Pango.
Angle weird.
Forward.
Ay, unggoy.
My bow is drawn.
And here we go.
So be it.
Good start pa.
I'm notched, I'm taut, I'm ready to fly. Very well. Onward.
Sarap niya na, 3-0 agad
So
eh.
be
No?
it.
Yun lang. Monkey mid.
My sentiments as well.
Monkey Mid, napanood niyan siguro si Malrin.
Ayun nga.
My bow is drawn.
Offlane, ano? Phoenix.
Old school.
Feel
Offlane Phoenix.
way ahead of you.
Ito pala yung mga to.
Good enough.
I won't give them the satisfaction.
Arrow, fly. Very well. Agreed. Forward. Silent as a mist.
Courier didn't make it.
Oo, kabawi.
So much for the Radiant's courier. Poor little fella.
Death comes silently. Arrow, find your target. Onward. Into the fray. Fair trade. To
Minsan
battle.
siya natakakot.
That was my thought.
Wala.
Feel my cold embrace. Yes. I go in silence.
Bibili ako niyan, Arcana ni CM. Nakatuwa pala gamitin yan.
So be it. That is my thought.
Gago ka ba? Pag nilapitan lang ako.
Very well. I'll take that.
Minsan hindi rin nag-iisip ng tao sa
Yes.
bracket na to.
I go in silence.
Somebody iced the Dyer's courier.
Quiver. Way ahead of you. To battle. My sentiments as well.
Sorry ka?
Is silence.
Set talaga sa early ang Phoenix. Makakadikit sa'yo.
Good enough. Agreed. Ice shall meet my enemies. Uh-huh. Silent as a witch.
Somebody's on a roll.
Hello?
Under attack.
Wala, tilted na ako.
Nagawa nung CM. Hindi nag-pull yata siya. Ang daming 3 range trip nung kalaban, that's din niya pinili.
Faster than an arrow's flight. Forward.
Kasi mga ganitong player.
To battle.
Tsaka pag
Hindi alam
ano
kung
kasi,
kailan dapat mag-pull.
mag-pull. Tsaka dapat pag ano, ganyan kasama mo sa lane, range. Kahit di may block yung camp,
My bow is
hindi makakapalo ka naman kahit i-pull na yan.
agreed.
Kailangan mag-passive play dito.
Diba kahit umangat,
Sunod na dot ko.
I go in silence.
no, 1-2 ka na, no?
Feel
Ah.
the bifrost.
Ganyan pa naman pag nawawa 0 to 1, pag na.
Yes.
Sasablay sa pag
Nakatilt kasi talaga pag carry ka. Hirap kasi mag-farm. Kung natalo ka sa lane,
Sentiments as well.
hirap na eh.
Onward.
Oh, baka nandito na yung Void.
Silent as mist.
Narin na rin, Fritz. Huwag yung Void, oh.
So be it.
Hindi, nag-ano na yata, to throw.
Ay, hindi. Post 5 Void.
Very well.
Oo nga no.
Attack.
Post 5 boy ng prota.
That is my thought. Forward.
Ano pa yata yung si Boyd Pre? Year 2015 pa yata yun eh.
Remember you're dead.
Napanood niya kay John Well.
Way ahead of you. My
Di pag
bow
mga
is
Divay nanonood pa, nanonood naman sa Twitter.
Kaya lang ako mamatay nito para makuha niya yung
agreed.
farm. Hindi ko kaya. Tatlo. Rebot.
So be
The
it.
Dire went and fortified their structures.
That is my thought.
The other fellas top tower won't be making trouble no more.
I go in silence.
Bagay ko dyan.
Pa-robot ng CM eh.
It's all.
Abot. Abot. Isa lang.
Good enough. Like this. You're fit.
Huwag ko nag-offer.
Death comes
Can't do
silent.
nothing about Dire
10
structures right
minutes.
now.
20 CS na ako.
Yes. My sentiments is silence afflicts me.
Uy! Ayun.
Forward.
I could do this all day.
Very well.
Pagod dami tao sa luma.
Silent as mist.
This'll come in handy.
Feel my cold embrace.
Stress. Tago yata. Hit na lang. Kahit ng Phoenix.
Dito sila lahat sa lane ko. Ano na pag-farmin?
Lipat ka, panalo na pala yung taas eh.
Can't get enough of those things.
Offlane Mars kayo, no?
Onward.
Bugbog
The
yung
other
area.
fellas bottom tower. Nothing but fragments now.
Never ask.
Naku, Pabs na yung Marcy.
Arrow, fly.
Ito sa Dota. Ano na, oh. May dalawa pa lang.
Quiver. Agreed. Forward. Uh-huh. To battle. My bow is drawn.
Bakit wala tumingin?
Silent.
Might want to check your bottom tower.
Bite frost.
The other fella's aiming to wreck your bottom tower. Somebody's on a roll.
So be it.
Mapipilitan yata mag-BKB. Para lang di ako
Your bottom tower ain't long for this world. Think the gods are gonna help?
Very well. Feel the frost. Attack. Feel the bite of frost. Yes. That was my thought. Uh-huh. My sentiments as well. Silent as mist. My sentiments as well. Very well. So be it.
Ano na ito? Bakit pinipilit nila sumama sa Clash Push as 5?
I shall nip my enemies.
Amazing what you found lying.
That was my thought. Go in silence.
Kaya nga mo chrono.
Somebody's cooking.
Oo.
Good enough. Forward.
Regeneration.
To battle.
Your mid tower needs a little
My
help.
bow is drawn.
Oh, gumawa ko sinalubong dyan.
Yes. Way ahead.
Bago bakit pinipupux?
Comeback na yun.
Two down.
Nisisi na yung Boyd.
My
Boyd
sentiments as
Postal.
well.
Kaya na kay John Wall yun.
Yes.
Max yung ano yung
Structures for
second.
now.
Forward.
No breaking down the radiant structures like this.
Uh-huh. My bow drawn. Into the fray.
The other fellas lost a mid tower. Showed up but
Silence
good.
mist. I go in silence. Way ahead.
Ito gagawin ito na.
Phoenix.
Hindi ito.
Ayaw mo yung 20k.
You are too
Nakaitan
noisy
na
to
ako.
live.
Hindi nang pagpampo.
Your fate.
Patapos niya na yun. Kahit kasi ng pitbull. Sobrang sala ba?
Onward. That was my thought.
I'll go mid.
All right, carry on. Them dire buildings are tough as nails for in a row.
Akala ko joke time lang, nag-throw talaga.
Very well.
Mabilis pa mag-next game dyan kaysa din nag-PT siya mag-
Look at you all day.
Almost feel bad for the top tower.
Arrow. Find your target.
There goes one of the other fellas mid-tower.
I'll
The
cut
top
him.
tower's hurting.
Ano, parang ayaw ko magana.
Stand and deliver.
There goes the other fellas mid-rags.
Pusin, pusin.
The other fellas mid-rags won't be making trouble anymore.
Death comes silent. So be it. Agreed. To battle.
Sarap, 3 MMR.
Sana all.
My
Walang na makano.
Nothing left.
Mga may...
Mid-tower.
quiver.
The other fellas lost the mid-tower.
Talagang to lagi kalaban kapag natipid.
Arrow. Find your target.
Nagtotos ko pa
That
sa
was my thought. Enough.
How about that?
Die alone.
Fine work.
Hagin na kin. Saan na ba ng ano? Arcon Post 5.
Tara. Inisipin yun eh.
At least di ka na na-stress kahit full yung kasama mo siguro. Naka-all rolls ako. Para may royalty.
Sige.
Ito ang pangalan ko. Post 5. Gago, di na pala nakapagpalit dito. Hindi.
Wala, di pa rin online si Bam eh.
Nag-chat na ako pero okay lang. Yan.
Siguro darating to mga alas 10.
So, parang ano yata, yung mga ganung oras naglalaro yun.
Ako lang, naglimid ako. Nag-skip pause 1 lang, isa lagay yun. Ay, sana matino ang laro.
Mas ng AM ngayon, no? Gawa sa ads.
Traxx here.
Comfort hero ko kasi to.
Ay,
Hmm.
Talaga kasi mag-farm ng iyo. 20 minutes yung impact na talaga.
Yun lang gusto kong gawin eh, mag-farm eh.
Pag 20 minutes, Manta, tapos Fury. Tapos syempre may pangano na yun. Sobrang free farm. Sirap pigilan yan. Pag 30 minutes, naka-B-fly, outs, GG talaga. Ito yung pala yung set ko dyan, Arc of Manta.
Kano na ba yung
Beware the
Golden
bite of
Bash?
frost.
Such sorcery
Mahal,
shall not
700.
prevail.
Hmm. I-open yata mura. 500.
Kung sa PA eh. Pinaka na ako ng PA.
Naputa, ito na pala bibiling ko. Maskara na AM. Saan ba ito si Pat?
Drop yung mga pang support na item dito.
Nakarang gabi nun, trip ako eh. Radiance Weaver.
Dota 1.
Panalo